Is it gonna work?
That's interesting.
Is it different? Hey Ryan!
Hey!
So we've got the WRX, clearly, and what's going on today?
Well, I'm gonna be swapping out the drive shaft because I think there's something wrong with mine.
Drive shaft time! So we're gonna swap that out and then we can move on to the other parts, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
Sounds
cool,
good.
man. Woo! We got transmission right here and we got the whole drive shaft going up there. So how do we disconnect this thing?
Well, pretty simple. There's 2 bolts right here. Probably gonna have to drop this piece of the exhaust down.
That makes sense. Make a little bit of room.
Yep.
Cool. So we got those 2 bolts.
Those 2 bolts.
Okay.
And then these 4 bolts that attach it to the rear diff.
Cool.
And then it just pulls out backwards out of the transmission in the front.
Looks like maybe a spline type of
if you look
connection.
at the other one, you can see it's just a...
Yeah. Okay, right in
makes it spin.
the center in the mirror. Yeah, you can see the splines are there.
It wouldn't spin if it were just smooth.
Yeah, you gotta lock it in. Ryan just noticed a slight difference. So clearly we have a WRX we're working on right now. And is this drive shaft from a WRX though?
I don't believe so. When I bought the car, supposedly it was a Legacy GT transmission.
Ooh, okay.
And it has 411 gears, limited slip differential, so I believe that's probably also from the Legacy GT. So I'm assuming the drive shaft's probably from a Legacy GT too.
And what are you holding right now?
This is from a 2.5 RS.
Okay, and you're saying that there's a difference. What's the difference?
Yeah, this one has a U-joint.
Ah, yeah, universal swivel type of setup. Okay.
And this one has a ball joint with grease in there. And
all right, well, hopefully this works.
Should still work, because the transmission we swapped in there is from a 2.5 RS, and the rear diff that I'm going to be installing is from a 2.5 RS, so everything should be 2.5 RS now.
Alright, so we're going to be dropping the exhaust now. Hopefully this matches up. Just wanted to show you guys the difference real quick. Cool.
Yep.
What, the flex pipe?
Yeah.
I hate how flex pipes sort of die. Like really fast. Okay, so we got more space though.
Yeah, I'm gonna take these 4 off. Just a bolt and nut. You need 2 wrenches.
Okay.
And we can take the middle 2 off and then pull it out.
Cool, so just knock these 4 out.
Yep.
And those 2 and then slide it this way?
Yep.
Cool, man.
You gotta make sure it's in neutral and no e-brake on, so that way you can spin the drive shaft.
Neutral and no e-brake.
Yeah, right now I think both are engaged. It's in gear and the e-brake's on, so I'll have to climb up there and do that.
Okay, cool. Monkey time.
Yep.
Clearly don't recommend doing this. But not gonna try to tell you that it's not possible.
Cool.
Cool. Alright, go ahead and try to spin that.
Now, once you get one, you can just spin it. Get the next one. Spin it, get the next one.
Oh yeah, I see how that would not be possible with the e-brake on and everything.
Yep.
Alright, so what size are these?
They are both 12 millimeter.
12 millimeter. Alright. You don't really have much room right here at all to even get the wrench in there, so.
Yeah, so.
Wow, you can't mess around with sockets. This is really, they don't want you to mess around with this. That's pretty much what it comes down to.
I'll have to keep taking the e-brake on and off.
Do you want me to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. But that's what we're gonna do, and I will just, again, set up the camera real quick. Whoa! E-brake's on.
All right.
Woo.
One.
Okay. E-brake's off.
Rotate.
E-brake. It's on.
Two.
Go ahead.
Rotate. Okay.
E-brake's on.
Okay.
Off. You want e-brake off or on?
Shouldn't matter from now.
Cool. Alright. So these bolts are off.
Yep.
Cool. And then next we got these two.
These two in the middle.
All right.
And then that'll allow this to flex down a little bit because there's a little lip back here that this sits on, so it doesn't just, obviously see it's not coming down yet.
Yeah.
Because it's got like a lip that the drive shaft slides onto. Alright, let it flex.
Oh, maybe if I tap it with a chisel or something.
Yeah, maybe. Probably just hit it with a hammer.
This is gonna hurt. Okay. 1, 2. Cool.
Yeah, so this may have definitely been causing some issues.
Yeah, shoot, that could.
She's broken. That's just the boot. Never mind, that's just the boot.
No, but that boot is cracked.
Still, that fluid's supposed to stay in there, so.
Yeah. So I mean, that's jacked. And this one
we don't have to worry about that because it's a U-joint.
Looks like an upgrade to me. Hopefully it fits correctly. We'll find out right now though.
Arms hurt.
Here's the deal. We need to lock these up, and they do have a torque spec, and I'll totally put the torque spec right here. But the thing is, we can't even get like torque bars on there to even measure what the torque is at. So we're just gonna hit this as hard as we can to lock it up. Realistically, it should be good enough.
I'll get one in and then we'll go take the e-brake back off.
Do you remember which way they were facing?
Yeah, nut side on the back. I'm just gonna get all 4 on, and then I'll torque each one down.
Makes sense to me.
Yep, just that way they're all lined up.
Cool.
E-brake's on.
Oh. Alright, e-brake off.
Alright.
You need to lock it in or anything yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get them all snug first.
Yeah.
Alright, now you can lock it in.
Locked in! Okay, e-brake's off.
Rotate, lock it in.
Locked in! It's on.
Okay.
E-brake's off.
Rotate, e-brake.
It's on.
E-brake. Okay.
Yeah?
Yep, we're good.
Alright.
And done.
Cool. Yep, so if you made it this far, guess what? You liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and share with all of your friends. And that is how to swap out your drive shaft. We got lots more content coming up. We're gonna be doing a lot of installs tonight. And stay tuned. We've got a lot of stuff coming up with the G35, the Mazda Speed Protege, and the Subi even has upgrades coming up. So season 7 is right now. It's happening, and lots coming up.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, understand. Cool, man. Good job. Word. And what's going on today?
A bunch of stuff.
Like this stuff?
Yep.
Oh crap! That's a lot of stuff. It's like we're rebuilding the WRX again. Awesome. So we're gonna be. Ow! Yeah, that happens.